Talk to Kyler some more. You talking to Kyler?
Yeah.
Talk to him. Say hi, baby.
Hi. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Say hi, Kyler.
Claire, put that down.
Hi, baby. Say hi, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Oh, goodness. Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk to Grandma? Are you going to talk? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah, you going to talk to Grandma? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Watch his head, honey. Watch Kyler's head. Oh, yes.
Baby.
Yeah. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, now you're going to get mad. Are you going to get mad? Are you going to get mad? Oh, you're talking. Okay. Yeah, what is it? Oh, we got to straighten you out. Hang on.